How to delete the contents of a folder. How can I delete the contents of a local folder in Python? The current project is for Windows, but I would like to see Linux also.
You can simply do this. You can of course use another filter in upath, for example, /u/path/ text for removing all text files in a directory.
You can delete the folder itself, as well as all its contents, using shuttle.remtree. Shuttle.remtree path, ignore_errors equals false, one error equals none, delete an entire directory tree. Path must point to a directory, but not a symbolic link to a directory. If ignore_errors is true, errors resulting from failed removals will be ignored. If false or omitted, such errors are handled by calling a handler specified by one error, or, if that is omitted, they raise an exception.
Expanding on Hawk's answer, this is what I've implemented. It removes all the content of a folder, but not the folder itself. Tested on Linux with files, folders and symbolic links, should work on Windows as well.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.